Hello, friends! Welcome back to Word Search World, where learning English is fun, relaxing, and full of adventure. Today's puzzle takes us to a beautiful and peaceful place, the beach. The beach is a place where we can relax, play, swim, and enjoy nature. We can feel the warm sun, hear the sound of the waves, and walk on soft sand. Get ready to explore the beach and find all the hidden words in today's puzzle. Remember, words can be hidden across, down, diagonally, or even backwards, so look carefully. Here are the words you need to find. Beach, a sandy place next to the sea where people relax and have fun. See, a large body of salt water full of life. Wave, moving water that rises and falls in the sea. Swim, moving through water using your body. Sand, tiny grains that cover the beach. Sun, the bright star that gives us light and warmth. Shell, small, beautiful objects found on the beach. Boat, a vehicle that travels on water. Towel, something we use to dry ourselves after swimming. Island, a piece of land surrounded by water. The beach is full of fun, beauty, and adventure. It's a place where we can relax, explore, and enjoy time with family and friends. Now, it's your turn. Can you find all these words hidden in the puzzle? Look closely. Some words may be easy to find, while others might be a little tricky. Take your time, stay focused, and enjoy the challenge. Word searches help you improve your English vocabulary, develop concentration, and have fun while learning. If you enjoyed this beach word search, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss a new learning adventure. More exciting themes are coming soon. Animals, food, nature, space, and many more. Thanks for watching and learning with us today. Keep searching, keep learning, and see you next time in another Word Search World adventure.